Welcome to 𝗿𝗘𝗚𝗜. Let's get you started in seconds. Step 1. Download the app. Grab 𝗿𝗘𝗚𝗜 from the Play Store or App Store. Install and open it. Next step, enter your details. Pick your country. Enter your full phone number. Next step, add this referred ID. Type your name, hit continue. Next step, begin dSMS verification. You'll now begin the dSMS verification process, which is Delta Secure Password-Free Login System. Tap on dSMS verification to get started. Choose a verifier number, either from the global list or a local option provided for your region. Send the verification code. Now open WhatsApp or your SMS app and send the code to the selected verifier number. Make sure to send it from the same number you used to register. Next step, final step, back in the app, tap I've sent the code. Boom, you're in. Final step, start mining Delta coins. Congratulations, your registration is complete. To start earning, tap the Mine button. You can mine once every 24 hours to earn Delta coins. The more consistent you are, the more you earn. You're now officially part of the 𝗿𝗘𝗚𝗜 ecosystem. Enjoy secure access.